Guys, welcome. So this is one of the highest projects that we have been mining so far since 2024. This is one of the best uh crypto that's going to launch on ICE network very soon, and its name Sealsend. So Sealsend is just like a email. So it's like a send email. You can see send email is a crypto email. So, and what we want to do now is we want to test the app. So we want to test this project now. We want to run test something like that. So first thing, you have to download this browser from Google Play Store. So this is my music browser. You are going to see this link. You are going to copy, come to music browser, paste it there, and click on go. Once you place it there, you are going to see that you should add this to Chrome. So I already done that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the extension button right here. So this extension, I'm going to click on Sealsend. After you make sure that you add it, click on Sealsend, then create your wallet. Simple guide. I'm just going to skip. Yes. So I'm going to create a new wallet. So this is my wallet now. You can see my pin. So that is my pin. I'm going to write it down. So the next, for you to set up your pin, so just enter 6 digits minimum of 6 digits. So after that, click on create wallet. So now we are on Sealsend. So this is my Sealsend now. If you want to test it, you can see stake. If you want to stake, so free individual, for individual to test personal app, so you can stake. You are going to stake still 1000. You are going to do something like this. So you are just going to make sure that you test it here. So this is it. Show more. So let me log in back to it again. So let me enter my pin. So this is it right here. So you will need one ICE to fully unlock this. So just make sure that you send one ICE. So you can enter your email. You can just sign, and this is send token stake. You want to upgrade, you just want to stake. You are going to stake something like this. I think by staking is how you are going to be testing this website. So just click the back to home button. Make sure that you send one ICE. If you want to send, just click on your wallet address, copy the address, and go to the wallet that you have ICE in it, and just send one ICE to activate this thing. So this how you are going to do it successfully. It's very easy, guys. You don't have to go through any stress. This is just it. So after you activate it, then come back here and continue to stake. So stake is for free. You can see for free. You don't have to maybe deposit anything. So just need one ICE to fully activate this. So that's all what you need. And you can send one ICE from exchange, or you can even go to their Twitter, something like this. So you can see it here. So you can see it here. I need one ICE to activate this wallet. So you can come to Twitter under their post like blah blah blah. Just type that you need one ICE to activate your wallet, and they are going to do this for you guys. So this is just all what you need. So guys, you can do something like this. Go to your Twitter, just click on and send message to them at Sealsend. Please, I need one ICE to activate this wallet. Here is my wallet address down below. So if they want to send one ICE now, they are going to send this to this wallet address that is down below. So by that, we are going to activate this wallet address. I'm going to see my next video. Is